Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio, baby, Julio. And I might hit your phone up with that rah-rah-rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and toxic. You a damn drug, toxic.
Number 2.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that dime. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up, it's mile high. Run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that dime. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up, it's mile high. Fuck up first class, I'm the pipe. Put it in perspective, bitch, I got everything I wanted and some extra. I am not the type of turning into a detective. Got 2 on my own phone, barely even check them. Uber eats the food I don't call, I just.
It's a regular shot.
I got a bitch, but a bitch ain't got me. I know she tripped when I dip, so I this bitch is pillow talking about me like I'm and she ain't know this shit. 3 bits in my motherfucking teeth.
Yes. Let me go get the rest of them to get their helmets.
Okay. Yeah, what?
What are you, Dallas?
Oh my gosh.
Feels
weird.
Hey, Dallas.
Yeah?
Ooh!
Hey, Keita, good job, baby. Good job, mama.
Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't know. Shorty with the long legs, she don't. Yeah, last year I kept it on the top. Hey, 2020, I can't fuck it up. Yeah, I want a long life, a legendary one. I want a quick death and an easy one. I want a pretty girl and a honest one. I want this drink and another one. Yeah, and I'm troublesome. Yeah, I'm a pop star.
Yeah, let me try that right there. Lemon blueberry parfait, and I'm gonna taste some of your ooey gooey.
Look, Ariana, Selena, my visa, it can take.
Man, I can't believe it, y'all. I'm finally monetized on YouTube. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long road. But I finally did it. Let's go. Oh, man. Seeing that green icon next to my video, man, I'm telling y'all. Yeah, it's been a long road. But I want to make sure I thank y'all because I wouldn't have made it if it wasn't for y'all. Y'all watched them videos, y'all clicked them, and y'all subscribed. So I thank you all, and I just really appreciate y'all. I finally hit a milestone in my YouTube career, and it's just a stepping stone. You know, of course, I felt like this was the top, but I got a long way to go. Let's go. So I'm about to be dropping these videos out, pumping them, and y'all will get tired of me. So, hey, you know, because I'm trying to get that paper. Me and my babies gotta eat. But anyways, you know, I enjoyed my weekend. I turned up. You know, not gonna lie, I do that often. It's just that I don't record. And recording everything, all the footage that you did see, it was a lot. You know, so I tried to, you know, I'm trying to get my Instagram going So I've been posting on there, and you know, using your camera and using this, man, it's a lot. I gotta get used to it. To just, what do they call it? A content creator. So I guess I'm a content creator now, and I'm officially a YouTube partner. So hey, I'm about to take this thing serious. I'm happy. I hope y'all happy for me because yeah. Man. Oh. Let me see. Check this. Just cut my hair. Man, it's like my hair growing so fast. I used to have to cut it as much. But you know, it's just growing. But yeah. I still can't believe it though, y'all. I know I haven't posted a video in a minute. I've been saying that for years, but I had a reason on why I wasn't posting, because I wasn't getting paid for them. Or, you know, I didn't have an opportunity to get paid for them. Let's put it that way. But, yeah, I'm about to start posting here, man. I mean, y'all go get some daily vlogs for show, some reactions, some mukbangs. Man, I mean, y'all getting everything. I also been posting on my shorts as well. On my shorts channel, I'm gonna just be really posting just random things, because I want, you know, of course, that's separate from my videos. So on my channel, I got it separated. That way you can see the videos before the shorts. So that way you can, you know, look at my shorts as well. Because I'm gonna be doing a lot of different kind of shorts, because hey, the income, boy, income, baby, let's go. I'm already seeing the numbers go up, you know. So it's only been a week since I've been monetized, and I see the numbers going up already. Got me feeling good about it. So I'm about to be pushing this content out, and I'm about to take this thing serious, not only with this, but with the rest of my social media. So be sure you follow me on Instagram, and just all my other platforms down in the description box below. But mainly, you know, yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram though, because I'm gonna be posting on there daily. Pretty much everything you see on here is gonna be on Instagram, but you know, I might go live on Instagram. You never know. So follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. And again, I want to thank y'all. I love y'all, and we going up from here. All right. See y'all later.